Good morning, skaters. Welcome back. Today, I am actually in Saronno, Italy. It's north, somewhat near Milan. I'm at a little semi-outdoor rink. It's got some nice structure. This is the rink behind me where I'm going to be doing some group clinics today. I'm going to be teaching. We have two different groups that I'm going to be teaching with a little break in between. I'm really excited to meet these skaters. A couple of them, from what I understand, are coaches, which is just such an honor for me to get to teach some aspiring adults and coaches. This is the rink that we're at today. It is a semi-seasonal rink. There is a roof, which is great because it's protected during rain. You can skate in all different weather, but it is also an outdoor rink. It is open fall through spring. So, you get a good season here. It's not truly a Christmas rink where it's open just for a month or two. It's a little bit small. You can see the size is a little smaller than your average rink, but what I've heard is that it's really, really high quality ice. So I'm excited to step out there and see what it feels like. The ice rink is nestled up in a beautiful park-like surrounding and is bordered all around with lofty evergreen trees. There's a small covered lobby area with cubbies to put your bags and some little park benches where you can sit and put on your skates before your session. Before heading out, they resurfaced the ice for us with a cute little tractor style Zamboni. I've never seen one quite like it. But this mini Zam did an excellent job. The ice felt really, really nice. At the beginning of both of our classes, we started with a warm-up. Gave them some drills that they might not have tried before. Once the warm-up was complete, I began teaching them a series of different edge patterns and footwork drills. This first one had backward 3 turns, mohawks, and some beautiful inside slides.
So we have mohawk, look behind, 1, 2, 3, mohawk, muscle. Otherwise, your knees bent. Okay? All right. The other thing that makes this so pretty and unique is the slide instead of the. Okay. Second. So we're going to say for 2 things that make this unique. One is the slide, and the other is the line. Okay. So when you come out and play with these feelings, those are the 2 things I want you to remember. Okay?
We also worked on a US figure skating skills test pattern that includes all 8 different spirals. The forward ones, the backward ones, the inside edge ones, the outside edge ones. It was a really fun challenge for this group, so we spent quite a bit of time perfecting all of the different transitions between these spirals and just working on getting better height, better extension, and a little more confidence in these positions. And this group really wanted to work on solo spins. So the last section of this class was all spent individually working on different spin positions. And we spent some time as a group working on laybacks because that was going to be a challenge for everyone. And I love it when I can bring the whole group together, even on individual moves. After that, I had a quick snack break, and then I was back on with the second class of the day, another great group of skaters, and we basically did all of the same edge drills as we had with the first class. The levels of the 2 classes were the same. We just divided it in half because the ice rink was a little bit smaller and we wanted to make sure everyone had enough room for all of the different drills. So both classes got the same edge work. this class, the group really wanted to work on some partner moves. So instead of doing those solo spins like we had in the morning class, for the afternoon class, we worked on pair spins, and it was so much fun. The skaters were of different levels, so I taught a number of different versions of a pair spin. So no matter what their level and what their level of comfort with skating with another person, they'd be able to get some kind of a pair spin during the class. It was a really, really fun way to end the day out there on the ice.
Good job.
Well, we are done here in Saronno. The classes went fantastic and I got to meet a bunch of amazing skaters. It's been so great to be able to connect with club members and YouTube subscribers in person. To be able to take those usernames and turn them into faces is just such a joy. That's it for this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed this next section in my Travels with Coach Julia vlog. And I hope you liked that little sneak peek into what it's like to take a class from me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us that thumbs up. And I look forward to reading all your comments in that section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button so you can see all my videos when they come out, including all of the adventures I'm going to be going on in different countries around the world. And as I say at the end of every one of my skating videos,
Happy skating!